Sup Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the tomorrow price of the Vechain. Is tomorrow we get profit or loss from Vechain? In this video I will show you my friends on the basis of technical analysis. Keep watching this video for more details, and remember my friends to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time if we look the latest price of the Vechain, so 0.1 USD dollar is the latest price of the Vechain. Other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Vechain, so 0.0000279 is the BTC Bitcoin price of the Vechain. And you can see here, if you want more update of the Vechain, so the market cap, 24 hours trading volume of the Vechain. Now the volume is going upward, so this means that the people understand that the pump coming soon. That is why the volume of the Vechain is going upward. And available supply, total supply, every update you can see here. You can easily read out these reading, my friends. You can see, my friends, from the previous day, from the yesterday, the Vechain stock jump and still, but now the current situation of the Vechain is going negative 0.717%. The price is going down, falls down occur in the Vechain, my friends. And the last 24 hours pricing is positive 1.09%. Positive change occurred in the last 24 hours yesterday. So from yesterday pricing, the people understand that there is a jump. People understand that there is a jump. So that is why the people and the trading volume of the Vechain is going to increase, my friends. So let me show you, my friends, the price chart. My friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all I request everyone to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, you can see here, if we do a technical analysis of this chart, so now at this time maybe the price falls down for some time, but after some falls, after 2-3 hours falls, the price will pump, my friends. That is my prediction. And if the price will pump, so that's good idea, and I think that you will get profit tomorrow. Tomorrow is a profit day, my friends. Congratulations to all Vechain holders. That's my prediction. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.